Hi, welcome back, AP Biology students. I think many of you probably already know me. My name is Miss Snook. To the parents, you are free to call me Kim Snook. Nice to meet you. You can get a hold of me if you need to at my Hazlitt account. The last part I'm sure you're familiar with because we all have that email at Hazlitt. The first part is Snook KJ. So first hour we're going to be together, so I hope you're a morning person. Get up, get a shower, get ready to go. This opportunity is offered through the College Board. We're going to visit the AP Central website. The AP Central website is going to be used by us quite often. Here's a code you need to get in. This PowerPoint will be posted in the Google Classroom, and many of these items are clickable. So this is AP Central, your AP Classroom. You will be assigned homework here. You will have resources to use as well, like AP Daily videos are going to start September 1st. We'll also have practice FRQs, multiple choice, maybe even take a quiz within this site. So make sure you get signed up for that soon. The AP Biology course covers an entire year of what a bio major would cover in college. So not just one semester, but 2 semesters. We'll go all through ecology, evolution, DNA. The first semester will be a lot of information that you've already learned and maybe then the next step. Second semester is when we get into information you're going to be less familiar with. So second semester is the time to really buckle down. In a college class, every credit that you have, like you have a 3-credit class, you should expect to spend 2 hours outside of class doing the work. So in addition to our Zooms and our hour-and-a-half practice time, you're going to want to spend time studying, reading, taking notes, watching videos, going to extra helpful sites. So what are we going to study? This worksheet is in Google Classroom as well as in on my website. So here's weekly what we expect to cover. Of course, we are in a new world, so we'll see if I need to change things. I will update this document at that point. So typically Mondays and Thursdays we're going to have a Zoom. Our Zoom content might take longer than my Zooms in other classes. The first portion of the day will be recorded. That's when I'm going to present new information. I'll try for a 30-minute Zoom, but in AP Bio, that's really tough. I have a tendency to go 45 to an hour, but I will try to use outside resources so I don't have to talk your ear off on a Zoom the whole time. The other portion of our time, considered the flex time, is our time to practice. Complete classwork. I might have some stuff I want to go over right away, so that needs to be done. Other things might take more than just that period, and then those assignments will be due on the next scheduled meeting day. Tuesdays and Thursdays are your off days, and like I said, you are going to need to do work on your own to make sure you understand information. Like I can give it to you, but until you work with it, you don't internalize it. So you are going to need to do that, whether it's watching videos, researching information, talking to other kids in the class. Wednesdays, that's going to be a mix for the AP world. We're going to have some times when we're going to be asynchronous. This week, we will be asynchronous on Wednesday. Other weeks, I may need to get with you in a Zoom. So the asynchronous time, you're going to do many of the things I already talked about, videos, worksheets, modeling. And then some Wednesdays we'll need to do synchronous, especially when we lose a Monday to a holiday. Okay, studying. Don't wait until the test day. There's way too much information and way too many details. You need to find file folders in your brain, and you do that by studying. Studying draws connections between neurons in your brain, and that helps you retrieve information. It creates a path. So that isn't anything I can create for you. You have to do it yourself. You have to do the work. During our flex times, I will be available. My suggestion is through a Google Hangout. Google Hangout is like a FaceTime, only in the Google world, so we can go one-on-one. I suggest forming after-school study groups. Study groups are hugely helpful. They make you more accountable. They make sure you're present. They make sure you're doing your work. If I schedule a run with a friend, I'm more likely to make it to that run than if I just scheduled to do it on my own at 6 o'clock. Talking about the information, again, helps you internalize it, but also other students may have understood things that you didn't, and they can present it to you in a way that is different than I did and help you understand it that way. If you can't meet face-to-face, you guys can set up your own Google Meets, you can set up your own Zooms, and you can have study groups that way still. Talk about the information. Watch the Bozeman videos, watch the AP Daily videos. Visit extra sites and visit the AP Classroom. Get a test prep book. There are many out there. My favorite is Kaplan. Students' favorite is the Barron's book. I have like 5 different versions of test prep books in my classroom, so you might search them online and read reviews, see if you connect with something. So where can you find all the information I'm giving you? Of course, in the Google Classroom. The stream, the first page, this is your page. This is your world. This is where you can interact with other students. Ask questions, answer questions. I'll post the daily agenda there, and then from there you will go to the classwork to retrieve the materials for that day. So here we are. This is like all the things we're going to do just on Monday. So this can get cumbersome, so we're going to sort it by weeks. And then our classroom resources, that's more like materials that you need consistently. Helpful links, the College Board, obviously. The weekly Zoom will have the same Zoom link for every meeting, so you don't have to go searching for it. It's right there under helpful links. So that's all the time I have for you today. Until Monday, see you soon.